Welcome to Range City Motors. We've got a 99 Holden Commodore VT Series 2. It's only travelled 115,000 kilometres. Good looking car. It's auto, air conditioning, power steering. Very good paintwork, as you can see. Lovely colour. You might call it a burnt orange. But it certainly does stand out. Now this is auto, air conditioning, power steering, 5.7 litre, Gen 3 V8 ABS, alloy wheels, body kit, spoiler, CD, MP3, central locking, dual airbags, and full service history. And it's priced at $11,999 if you mention Show and Sell Cars. Thank you.